I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Micro Roni versus MCK. We'll immediately delve into their core functionalities and what makes each kit unique. Both are popular pistol conversion kits designed to enhance your handgun stability and accuracy, transforming it into a more carbine-like platform. We'll explore how each achieves this, focusing on their distinct approaches to ergonomics, material construction, and user experience, ensuring you grasp the fundamental aspect of these two formidable options. When we look at key features, the Micro Roni often boasts a more streamlined, compact profile, frequently incorporating a quick folding stock for easy concealment and deployment. In contrast, the MCK tends to lean towards modularity, providing more Picatinny rails and attachment points for extensive customization, like optics and lights. Both are predominantly constructed from durable polymer, ensuring a lightweight yet robust platform. Installation can vary, with some kits allowing for tool-less insertion in just a few seconds, while others might require a bit more effort. Regarding performance and usability, both the Micro Roni and MCK dramatically boost your pistol's stability, translating into noticeably improved accuracy and quicker follow-up shots. The ergonomic design, from the pistol grip to the shoulder stock, influences comfort and control during extended use. Accessory compatibility is a major factor. Some kits offer more rail space for optics, lights, and lasers, allowing for greater personalization. Installation speed is also key, with some designs allowing you to convert your pistol in under 10 seconds, making them highly practical for various applications. Finally, let's consider price and overall value. These kits generally fall within a price range of around $200 to $300, with variations based on included accessories and specific models. The value you derive will largely depend on your intended use and what features you prioritize. If compactness and rapid deployment are paramount, one might appeal more. If extensive customization and modularity are your focus, the other could be a better fit. Weigh your budget against the features and performance to make the most informed decision for your needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.